The following is the Watson Wu Ferrari Dino sound effects library. This 1974 Daytona edition is a manual 5-speed, mid-engine V6 exotic car. All 53 wave files are 96 kHz sample rate, 24-bit resolution, with more than 28 minutes of recording time. External pass-bys are in stereo while Foley sounds are in mono. Onboards are split into 4 mono files of exhaust number 1, exhaust number 2, engine number 1, and engine number 2. Included are also stereo mix files of the onboard recordings. To purchase these sounds for your film, TV, and video game projects, visit watsonwu.com.